Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you how you can download and receive files through WeTransfer. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, so let me show you how it's done really quickly. In the first step, head over to WeTransfer, and to receive you will either need someone to send you these files via WeTransfer, or you simply upload these files to your account here on WeTransfer yourself to download them. You can ask a friend of yours, for example, to send you these files, and this is how uploading and downloading files from WeTransfer works. Simply click on that button here to the left, upload files. To locate the file, like a video for instance, or a document, or an image or photo on your computer or device, or alternately click on that button here to upload an entire folder. With a free membership, guys, you can upload and send files of up to 2 GB free of charge per month. Enter the email address of the recipient below, just like that. Enter a notification message below, click on these three dots here and select whether you'd like to send your contact an email or a shareable link. Set an expiration date for the uploaded file below, like 3 days or 7 days. And once that's done, guys, click on transfer here. That will upload your file here to WeTransfer. And once that's done, your contact will get notified via email and receive a download link here to WeTransfer to download your uploaded file. So it's actually super simple. And once your or your contact's file has been uploaded here to WeTransfer, you will be given access to the given file to download it, for example, back on your device by clicking on that button here. Or if you uploaded it yourself, you will be also given the opportunity to delete it. So let me download that file really quickly. There you go. As you can see, super simple. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.